Hello everyone, it is Thursday the 21st of January and today our learning objective is I can read a text to answer questions. So today's lesson is going to be your guided reading lesson as well, because the lesson is being able to read through information to find answers and working on our reading. So some of the words that you will find will be quite difficult, so it's okay if you have your parent there to help you with the reading, but try and answer the questions yourself. So here's our first page, and it is called skeleton. So my first question is, can you name 4 parts of a shark's skeleton? My second question is, why should you never pull a shark's tail? And my third question for this page is, how many sections does the spine of a shark have? I will also upload these pictures onto the school website so you can zoom them in a little bit to hopefully read the text clearer. So, answers. Can you name 4 parts of a shark skeleton? You can have the jaw, the gill arches, the dorsal fin and the spine. Why should you never pull a shark's tail? Because it can bend all the way around to bite you. And how many sections does the spine of a shark have? It has 180 sections about. So our next page is on shark eggs. So first question, what are shark egg cases made of? Then number 2, what do the pups live off when they grow? Number 3, how long may it take until they are ready to hatch? So pause the video, read through text, and answer these questions. Okay, so our answers. Number 1, shark egg cases are made from keratin, which is the same material as your hair and fingernails. Number 2, the pups live off a yolk sac whilst they grow. And number 3, it may take up to a year before they are ready to hatch. Okay, our next page is, where do sharks live? So can you name 3 of the places? There are 6 on the page, 3 of the places where sharks might live. Number 2, which shark can be found walking along the shoreline? And number 3, which shark does it say can be found on the sea floor? So our answers. You can have any 3 of these 6. So we've got freshwater, coast, coral reef, open ocean, seafloor or deep sea. Number 2, the shark that can be found walking along the shoreline is the epaulette shark. And number 3, a shark that can be found on the seafloor is the Australian angel shark. Okay, our last page of information for today, shark facts and figures. So question number 1, how many sharks are killed by people in a year? Question number 2, what is a fear of sharks called? And question number 3, when was the megamouth shark discovered? Okay, answers to these questions. There are roughly 100 million sharks are killed by people a year. A fear of sharks is called galeophobia. And the megamouth shark was discovered in 1976. So well done if you have answered those questions correctly.